The legislative district of Apayao is the representation of the province of Apayao in the various national legislatures of the Philippines. The province is currently represented in the lower house of the Congress of the Philippines through its lone congressional district. History. Prior to gaining separate representation, areas now under the jurisdiction of Apayao were represented under the former Mountain Province, 1917-1969, and Kalinga Apayao, 1969-1998. Apayao became a separate province following the passage and subsequent ratification of Republic Act No. 7878 on 8 May 1995. In accordance with Section 9 of RA 7878, the new province began electing its own representative in the 1998 elections. Lone District. Population, 2015, 119,184. See also. Legislative districts of the Mountain Province. Legislative district of Kalinga Apayao. References.